I was raised on a farm. I had goats, cows, pigs, horses, sheep, turkeys, chickens, dogs, cats, and I really enjoyed spending time with them and making the connections with those animals. Science was always my favorite subject. And then whenever it breaks down into more specific topics of science, biology was always number one in high school and then in community college. I actually Googled ecology degrees in Texas and found out A&M-Central Texas had an ecology concentration. I was pleased with the education I got from A&M-Central Texas. So the more engaged I was in class with the discussions and asking questions, the more I learned. My first year, I struggled a lot. That's whenever I found the Student Success Center, and they helped me get back on track. They really helped me out. I went and talked to them about study guide tips and just little things to help with ADHD. There was a lot of people that wanted me to succeed. It was important for me to have a job, and it was also important for me for that job to be a place where I could find community and also get resources. Then I met Jeremy, and he was really trying to grow the campus rec department, and I sent him my resume, me and my friend, and we both got hired. I was able to get that community like I was looking for. So I knew that during my last semester of college, I would really need to start the job search. So I started looking at things that I did have relevant experience on, and since I grew up on a farm, I found out about the animal husbandry field. I found out about the internship here at Moody Gardens. The name of the internship is animal husbandry. And I knew that with my experience raising animals for 4-H, and then also my experience doing research on green lacewings at the university, I had a pretty good starting place. I actually reached out to Dr. Erlinson to review my cover letter and also talk to career and professional development. So they helped me fix my resume, and also they asked me a few questions, so I was able to come up with an answer. So CPD really helped me. So Moody Gardens is a resort and hotel that also has different attractions, and my favorite part about Moody Gardens is the pyramids that have the aquarium and the rainforest. I get a lot of joy out of seeing the otters and working with them. They are very mischievous and goofy and everything that you wish them to be. I could watch them all day. I currently am working with the invertebrates, which include many different types of roaches, several different types of walking sticks. There's crickets, mealworms, scorpions, centipedes, millipedes that are either on display or used as feeder bugs, as they call it, where we raised a colony of a certain type of insect, and then every day we feed those out to, or we give it to the people who feed the fish, they feed those out to the fish. We give it to the people who feed the birds, they give them to the birds. So we're able to in-house raise and take care of many different types of insects to feed the whole rainforest. So biology is all about different systems interacting, from the smallest, like biochemistry, to the cells, to the tissues, to the organs, to the organisms, to the ecosystems. So that was always cool to see how the smallest thing can affect the biggest thing. The internship has worked out very well. I actually just recently got hired as a permanent rainforest biologist, which is really cool. So I just want to be able to say that I had a really cool career that I had fun with and that I was good at.